Katie's first Christmas Eve.
You can open it.
Okay, help me. Can you help me? What's under there? I know you don't really get it. Come here.
Yeah.
Let's open that. See. You want to pull on any? There you go. There's something in there.
What's in there?
Can you get it out? It's an alphabet magnet. Yay!
They're the
Look
good
at
kind.
that. Alphabet letters. They go on the fridge.
Your own magnets.
Very cool. Say thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandpa. I'm gonna love those.
Do you want to open it? You want to open it?
The box too.
See if we can get it open for you. Yeah, got half of it.
Gonna help.
What?
She was trying to help.
Good job.
Alright.
I'll do it here.
Yep, we got some of it.
Pull. It isn't this other kind. I like these because they have the braille on them.
Oh wow. That is cool. You can learn Braille.
We don't expect much. We've learned sign, human, braille, maybe a little Greek.
For you.
Yay!
Hey, there we go. That's better. That's how you do it.
Those two kind of stuck to each other. Good job. Thank you.
Welcome.
So thanks. Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Oops, we lost a D.
D for Daddy.
Do you see Daddy? Yeah.
What's that one? This is K for Katie.
Katie. We can spell your name.